Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm very excited to be sharing a look at what is inside my July sipsby box. This is a tea subscription box that I look forward to monthly. There's so many delicious teas to try. A huge thank you to sipsby for gifting me this box to enjoy. It's so much fun opening this month's box. So not only in this video will I be sharing of what is inside an unboxing of the July box, but also the tea that I was most excited to try and make first. And spoiler alert, it was a black tea and it was so delicious. So if you're ready, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. I was so excited to see what was inside my July sipsby box. A couple of months back, I actually changed my tea preferences. You take an online quiz and you can kind of customize your box and you can always go back and update it. And that's exactly what I did. So the past two boxes I received, I was really excited for because I found I was starting to get more teas that I really do enjoy, like black teas, green teas, oolong teas, matcha. So for this box, I was so excited because all of these teas, I was so excited to try, you guys. And all of them would be amazing ice. They kind of curate this box for the summertime, for the season. So I was very excited about this too. Now, this box was also themed for July, the month of July, and they kind of took inspiration from Independence Day and kind of the spirit of that, which I thought was really fun. So the first thing I picked up was the sipsby sachets. I love this. I'm traveling, and what I love about bringing this box with me is that I can have everything I need within the box to make delicious cups of tea, as long as there's a kettle or hot water around. The next tea I pulled out was the second tea I made, which is the Nepal tea. This was so good, you guys. I still have a little bit left, and I love this. I'd love to order more. It's a delicious green tea. It tastes so fresh, and it's calming, but obviously, as you guys know, green tea is caffeine, so it's energizing. Even Alice loved the smell of it. It was such a calming, delicious tea. Up next was the tea that I decided to make, so stay tuned to the end of the video. This one is called Summer in Provence, and it was by Charities, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was so good. It's a black tea with some white tea of bergamot, lemon peel, lavender, lemon. It was amazing. Now, this is the only tea I have yet to try, which was the Sleep tea by Organic India. It sounds delicious. I really should make it. I've been traveling, so I should have like a nice yummy tea in the evening before I go to bed. Lately, I've just been doing peppermint though. And then the last tea I got is a tea that I'm already a huge fan of. I actually have some in my tea cupboard. It is called Green Passionfruit by David's Tea. And this is actually my favorite tea to make iced from David's Tea. I love it. It's so refreshing and it's so delicious. It's actually lower in caffeine for a green tea, and it also has pineapple, black currants, passion fruit, cornflower petals inside, and it's so delicious. Now it's time to make the tea of the video, and the tea that I was most excited to try first was the Summer in Provence by Charities. This just sounded so delicious. I also needed a little bit of a caffeine boost, so I was like, this is perfect. And here is what Charities has to say about this tea. This blend combines organic and sustainable ingredients from around the world to create a luxuriously balanced infusion that shines, providing a mini vacation. This sounds so good, you guys. So as you can see, I'm taking out my sipsby little tea bag sachet. I love how it has the little sipsby logo dangling from it. And then I scooped up some of the delicious tea. I decided to actually add a little bit more than I normally would. I just wanted a really nice strong taste. And I was staying at this cute little hotel, so I decided to use their kettle and make it. The only thing I didn't have is I didn't have any oat milk on hand. I actually only have almond milk, oat milk. I can't have dairy. So I was a little sad that I didn't have any on me, but I decided just to try it black. I did steep it still for 3 minutes, and I used about 212°F for water. And this tea tasted so delicious, you guys. Like the flavor, the thickness of it, so delicious. I definitely have to order more of this. I also think it would be delicious year round. This would also be so good ice. If I had ice cubes on me, I totally would have had it iced too. Anyway, that is it for today's sipsby video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in my July box. I would love to know which tea you would try first. Please let me know down below. If you'd like to know more about the sipsby tea subscription box, please check out the description bar of this video. I'll have some links and some more information in there. If you are interested in getting a box, make sure to use my code TLOVE to save $5 off your first box. Anyway, you guys, virtual cheers. I wish you a wonderful, magical rest of your day, a wonderful weekend ahead, and goodbye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.